Welcome back on the What to Do channel. Today we have a Cushman Hauler 800 in the shop. The problem is brand new batteries are put into it, and just about 2 days later, it's dead. That's after being charged each night for those 2 nights, but they're brand new batteries and it's dying, so that shouldn't be the case. There's something else going on. I'm going to show you what it is. And this is the machine right here. So where we're going is right here is where you plug your charger in, and on the back of that charger, I already took the screws out. There's going to be 1, 2, 3 screws in there, which will pull this out. Okay, this is actually a harness, and all of these wires feed up to this positive terminal here on the first battery under the passenger side. Now, I have all of these terminals, or I'm sorry, all of these wires disconnected from here. All right, but at first glance, they all appear to be fine. The problem is, when you get them off and you just touch it, I don't know if you can see it or not. There you go. It's split. Okay? And when it's split like that, it's not getting the full current. All right? And that's ready to bust off. Pretty much I can just go like that. There you go. And you can see that's split. But also the gray wire here was doing the same exact thing. You can see it's just hinging there, and that's split. See that? So we weren't getting the full charge coming into here. So what you're gonna need is to buy this new harness. Got it from Lawn and Golf, and it really comes with everything attached to it. So you're just going to take those 3 screws out. You're gonna slide this in there, and then you're gonna reroute these wires right to here. Real simple job, and that's pretty much the issue with it. But looking at it first glance, if you're just looking at the wires, you wouldn't know that it had those breaks in there, and it'll really drive you nuts trying to figure it out. But there's really only 2 things that control that on the cart, and 1 is the batteries, and 2 would be the actual wiring harness to the batteries. So hopefully this helps somebody. It's a real simple fix, and if you need the part, I couldn't find it anywhere online, but Lawn and Golf definitely was able to find it quickly for me, and it took about a week to get it, but it's here, and we're gonna hook the new wiring harness up, and that should be it. She should be fixed. Give me a subscribe below, guys. Give me a like, and I will see you guys next time.